Hey Martin, what do we have here today?
Today special for Black November, DeWalt track saw, plunge saw, whatever you want to call it. 980, which includes two 1.5 metre rails, the joining bar, fast charger and two 6 amp batteries, all for 980. And in that you get the free rail clamps, only while stocks last.
And also on that then there is a different offer running as well concurrently, and you do get the free clamps. It's just two rails, joining bars and the saw itself, no batteries, no chargers in the box.
Festool.
This is on offer as well, good offer this month as well, $12.40 this month. And again, you get a free set of clamps with this one when you're buying the whole set. So the whole set is two batteries, your twin charger and your clamps in a box. So from Festool, it's a great deal in fairness, so get them while they last, lads.
$12.40.
Yeah.
Done.